Yes, Bonzo is here again, operating the high loader. As you can see.
They're operating.
So Bonzo, tell us, what actually happens here?
So here all the controls. There.
Okay, I can see the controls.
Yes. There is used to push, and there the lift and something to.
Yes, Bonzo is at work. He needs all the concentration he can.
Yeah.
For one slight a mistake can cost his job.
Yeah, it can cost me my job. So I should work carefully.
Yes,
So, yeah.
Safety is the number one rule, is the number one concern. Bonzo's work is very hard. As you can see, Bonzo has done a mistake. He's now being lectured by the team leader. Now Bonzo is done with his work. He's now closing off. What a wonderful job that Bonzo does. So people, that has been all. As you can see, we're right at the plane. Yeah, it's a cargo plane. So he's done working, operating the high loader.
So the work is done, the job is done. We have flooded solid air, and now we are going. We are done. All right. We are done.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Remember this, very easy. Don't just take notes. Goodbye.